So trying to figure out why we have warm air coming out. Now this is a 400 horsepower LT motor or something like that. It's on aviation gas, 110 or 15 octane. Can't remember what it is. Definitely smells different gas the way it burns. I'm choking out here. Not really choking out bad, but so we plugged off. We're having some bleed by of hot air. Those headers right there, the air is like 140 degrees trying to go down there. And so we're trying to block off. There's a little bit of stuff to tell there. And
I fucking got a heater control valve.
if you look at those heater hoses are 180 degrees.
Yeah, 180.
Yeah.
So I have a heater control valve, so I can always.
Yeah, do that later. But right now, just clamp it off with some vice grips, and so I could figure. I'm probably gonna have to come back to this one because this one we're gonna get into a little bit, I think, because this is a modified system, taking that old VIR system out of there with the POA valve stuff.
I want to fucking shut off the water.
All right.